Hi loves, it's Jess aka Designer Mama, and in today's video we are going to be doing a Coach unboxing. So if you're interested in seeing what bag I picked up from Coach, then stay tuned. Hi loves, it's Jess aka Designer Mama, and today we are going to be unboxing the Coach Willow bucket bag. Now let's just take a second to admire the gift wrapping. Like, it's so beautiful. Coach really outdid themselves. It's beautiful. It has Coach right there on the side. It's such beautiful packaging. Okay, let's open it up, guys. Ooh. It has this beautiful paper with the Coach sticker. Make sure you guys can see. So it has the beautiful white dust bag. Guys, so beautiful. Now she is small, but she's definitely spacious. Okay, let's just take a second to admire how beautiful this bag is. Now, I was looking for a bag that wasn't too big nor too small, so I feel like this was just perfect. It has the beautiful C lock right here. Okay, here goes the strap. It has another strap. So let me show you guys. So you can wear this on your shoulder, and it is adjustable, as you can see. So you can adjust the strap here. Again, it has the C-lock right there, so you can open it up. There's space right in there. It has a middle compartment with a zipper, and this middle compartment is pretty deep. I could stick my whole hand straight down. And then in the back is a button, and it goes all the way down. So again, this is a spacious bag. Now there is one other size, which is the Coach Willow shoulder bag, bucket shoulder bag, I believe. I'll leave all the details down below. The reason why I didn't that one was, to be honest, it was a little heavy. I noticed as soon as I lifted it up that it had some weight to it. So I don't necessarily like heavy bags. So I just opted for this one, and it's super light. It's empty and it's very light. Also, it has 4 feet on the bottom, which I love bags that come with feet, so that way I don't have to worry about the bottom getting dirty. It's this beautiful leather. And then let me attach the strap. So this strap is also adjustable, as you can see. So you get 2 straps with this bag, so you can wear it shoulder or crossbody. So let me just attach it so I can show you guys. So again, you can adjust it, wear it crossbody, or you can wear it as a shoulder. Now this bag is so stunning. It's so beautiful. So the price was $350. This wasn't on sale. I checked during the Christmas time when they were having sales. This bag just wasn't part of that sale. What drew me to it, like I said, I wanted a bigger bag, not necessarily a huge bag, but something that I can fit a little more things in it. And I feel like this was a perfect size. And I love the fact that I can wear it crossbody if I do need to, if I'm out and about and I just can't hold it on my shoulder anymore and I just need to have my hands free. I can just easily throw this crossbody, and it fit so well with my frame. I am 5'1", so it was perfect for me. The bigger size didn't look too good on my frame, to be honest. Crossbody looked a little kind of bulky, but I loved this. Guys, look, and this would be beautiful for even like the office. If you're going into the office, I love that it's not screaming designer. It's very simple, it's very subtle. The C, it's beautiful. I really love this turn lock. It's easy to do with one hand. Now, first impressions, obviously, if you cannot tell, I think she's so classy, she's so beautiful. And what I really love about this bag is when I saw it, I tried to do some research on YouTube, of course, and like anyone would, and I couldn't find too many videos on this. Now, of course, there are some videos, but it's not overwhelming the YouTube community. So I also really like that because I don't necessarily like bags that every single person has. Now, again, if there is something out there that's just super popular and I really, really love it and I want that bag, then of course I'm going to get the bag. There's something about just having a bag that not necessarily everybody has. And I feel like, again, it's so subtle that it'll be one of those bags that if you know, you know. And if you don't, you just don't. I'm so excited to use this. I might even swap out my things today and from my old bag and put it in and start using this today. Give you guys a beautiful view of her, right? Oh, and it has the Coach tag right there. It has beautiful, you can see like the gold buttons. It's so subtle, I honestly didn't even realize that till right now. It says Coach on it. So let me bring it up closer for you guys. So again, guys, this is my bag and I'm so excited. I'm going to leave all the details in the description box below. As always, guys, if you truly enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.